What's good people, it's JayCactus. Welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a drill beat for artists like V9, Dutchavelli and Pop Smoke. But before you watch it, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so for this beat I've already chose the sounds that I'm going to use, and I'm mainly using sounds from Electra X. I'm going to start off with some keys in the scale of D sharp minor or E flat minor, and then we'll go from there. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw in some chords. Usually when I'm making drill, I'll keep the notes close together. That just adds a bit of tension and it's quite common in drill beats. So you can see that these notes are together and even these ones. I'm not making big major chords by skipping numerous notes and making it wide. I want it to be quite tight and tense. That will work, and then I'm going to Control A, Alt and R to randomize the velocity. Now we've got this. And then I love reversing my melodies for drill beats, so I'm going to reverse this and see how it sounds. So I like this setting. I'm going to render this to a WAV file. Okay, so I've got my WAV file. I'm just going to cut the beginning and the end. That's because when you record it and it reverses, for some reason it starts off with a little delay, so I'm just putting it back in time. There we go. And then I'm also going to add a lead in, I think just on the root note. And then I'm also going to add some strings in, but I'm going to double it up by putting another note up an octave. I've just shortened them a little bit and I've made this one kind of quiet, and then later on it gets louder. There we go. Alright, so now I've got the main melody, the strings and a lead, but I'm gonna make this melody unique, and for the intro I'm gonna bring it down a full octave, 1200 cents. Alright, so you can see for the intro I've just got the main melody, and then for the verse I've got the main melody doubled up. So I've got one at the normal octave and then one brought down an octave. So together they sound like this. Okay, so for the drums, I've started with the snare. I've made it a little bit different to a typical UK snare pattern. And then for the hi-hats, I've created a nice swing, leaving some spaces. And then for the kick pattern, I wanted a real beefy kick. So this one's perfect. So together this sounds like. And then for the 808, I've gone crazy with the slides. few pauses. And then to fill in some more space, I added this perk and a triangle. So that triangle's hitting with the snare sometimes just to make it more interesting. And then I also wanted a crash. So that's hitting on the first snare and then again later on, just here. So with drill beats, I tend to hear a lot of crashes, triangles, gunshot sounds, impact sounds. So just experiment with different perks and see what you can make fit nicely in the beat. I also hear a lot of vocal chops in drill beats. So I've used arcade for this vocal chop, but then I brought the vocals up an octave. So I'll show you what this sounds like. So I'm only going to have this in certain parts in the track. I think they fit perfect. So with all these sounds together, the beat is pretty much done. So I just need to mix everything, arrange it, maybe add in one or two more things, and then I'll show you the outcome. All right, so I've finished mixing and arranging the beat. I'm just gonna break it down for you. So I already showed you the intro, which was just the main melody, brought an octave down. And then when the verse comes in, the melody is doubled up. So you've got one in the normal octave and then one an octave down. And then the only other thing that I added, which I didn't show you before, is an open hat just before some of the drops, just to add a bit more energy. And then a gunshot noise, which I added delay to. So that sounds like this. And that's just gonna play on the drop as well. I added my tag, and then I added a reverse kick. This is some secret sauce, this, because I don't see a lot of people reversing the kicks, but this was the normal one. But then when you reverse it, that's perfect to add just before a drop. So listen to how much energy this adds. So let me play that from the beginning. I love this reverse melody, man. It sounds cold.
JayCactus.
Yo, this might be my favorite drill beat that I've made. This is hard. And then the vocals come in here. And then for the hook, I've just taken most things out, but left the main melody 808 still. Similar to the intro, I've got the strings and the lead as well. And then that repeats. So for the arrangement, I didn't actually go too crazy. I've just got the intro, the verse, and then the hook, and then that just repeats. So I didn't add any bridges in or anything. I felt like this track was fine like this, and it's ready for someone to spit on. There's a lot of space for a rapper to jump on this. And yeah, man, I think this might be my favorite drill beat still, so hopefully I can get someone working on it. So yeah, I hope you're feeling the beat. If you are, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I think I went hard on this beat, man. This could be my favorite drill beat, so I hope you took something from it. If you want to hear the full version again, then just head over to my main channel, which is just JayCactus. I've been uploading all of my beats there, or you can see them on my Beatstars page, which is just jaycactus.com. And I'll see you next time.